In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can set your voice message to only be listened once on WhatsApp. The same way you set photos and videos to view once, WhatsApp has also introduced this new feature of setting your voice message to only be listened to once when played. To do this, simply head into your WhatsApp. On this page, let's select this chat right here. So if you wish to send this person a voice note that's set to only be listened to once, simply tap on the voice message button right here. Slide the microphone up to lock it in. Then after recording yourself, before clicking on the share button, make sure to tap on this view once icon right here. When enabled, if you send your voice message, they will only be able to listen to it once. You can at any time disable the feature before sending your voice message. Once sent, this option can't be undone. That's how easy it is to set voice messages to only be viewed once. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.